quick tip for today. Second best to the track saw. Well, second tip. A lot of people complain about this sticking after releasing, but you're supposed to just click it there and it'll slide easy. On to the real tip. Just make yourself a spacer according to your saw. I have the DeWalt 18 volt circular saw there, which is just about 1.5 inches. Well, actually you can put these together. Line this right up on your marks. Take your spacer out. Saw is ready to go. Saw gone. Do that again. Got our marks made. Real time. Right there, right up there. This is the blade I'm using, ultra fine 60 tooth. Very clean cut. Small chip there, but that's passable for some inside shelf cabinet. You can fill that in nice and easy. Thanks for watching.